All you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver. Before any repairs, always turn off and eliminate power to your appliance. To gain access to the door interlock switch located here, we'll need to remove the front part of the door seal. Locate the spring on the outer retaining band. With your flathead screwdriver, gently lift the spring away from the door seal and then remove the outer retaining band from the washing machine. Slightly peel the front part of the door seal out of the groove on the washing machine to access the door interlock switch. On this Hotpoint model, to remove the door interlock, simply slide the lock to the left. You may also need to press in on the upper and lower pips. Then disconnect the wiring from the old door interlock. Now, with your new door interlock, connect the wiring, making sure it's nice and tightly in place. Making sure the new door interlock is the correct way around, feed it back through and inside the washing machine. Connect it by hooking the left side in place first and then sliding it to the right hand side to lock it in place. You'll hear a click once it's in correctly. To reattach the front side of the door seal, feed the door seal over the washing machine lip all the way around. A little tip, and if you're struggling, is to use some washing up liquid to lubricate the door seal. Then just go around and make sure the door seal is correctly in place. To refit the outer retaining band, make sure to have the spring located on the left hand side around the 8 o'clock position. This will stop the spring rusting if there are any leaks at the bottom in the future. Slot the retaining band into the groove on the door seal and then feed it all the way around. And that's it. Your new washing machine interlock switch is all set to go.